Oh my hell, this is making me so nervous. This is the railroad bridge that we have been dreading, and it is 49 feet and we are 42. So I am freaking out. And we're doing it in the dark. Honey, what do you have to say about this?
It's not quite dark.
It is dark, you know.
Practically not dark. Almost practically not dark.
Ah, I'm so nervous.
Measured everything, but I just keep thinking maybe my tape measure doesn't measure right, or maybe I don't know how to do math. So we're boating across Okeechobee, and it's a huge waterway. You can't even see the lake, can't even see across the side of it, so it just looks like endless water. But we're about 15 miles from the shore here, and we started noticing like little black specks on the boat. This stuff, it's ash. They've got these big fires all along here they had from this morning, and it's raining ash on us here in the Okeechobee River. So if I was going to find something to complain about, it might be covering my boat in ash. But it's interesting. It kind of smells like barbecue, so you know, got that going for us.
That is so cool.
The sun came out. Let's do some yoga on Okeechobee. So we're gonna try sailing Okeechobee. We got the motor just down into idle speed. We're still doing 4 knots. Just got the jib up. I gotta go take down the Christmas lights and then get the main up. Now we're sailing. Just tough without the motor assist. Shit. Back in irons, come on. This is really do not use this as a sailing lesson, whatever you do.
Heave!
Come on, you piece of shit. Yeah, I don't know, we might have to put the motor down. Okay, so we are almost sailing. We got the jib and the main up. I'm gonna get down here. I won't tell you how many times I've almost fallen in the water because it's sad and disconcerting. I didn't have my life jacket on, but I do now. Be a safe boy. Carrie's been steering like a champ. But anyway, I wanted you to see what. Oh yeah, sailing Okeechobee. Kind of. Come on, sail. Do something. We're tempted to sail. Oh, we're not very good sailors today. We'll get better, I promise. Mainly because statistically it would be very difficult to be worse. There are some decent waves out here though. They're very exciting. And just want to thank you, the home audience, for coming along with us. It's been a very exciting trip. Okeechobee is big brown water. Okeechobee, polluted lake, but it's been interesting, and it's kind of neat not to be able to see the shore when you're out here sailing, and some, I don't know, 18-inch, maybe 2 foot, maybe 2.5 foot waves. But it makes it exciting for walking. And oh yeah, here we go. It's just like I've been drinking though, so really it's fine. So, if you're considering buying a Gemini, and I will say that I love ours, and you've heard of the hobby horsing or the deck slam and some of those issues, we're on Lake Okeechobee today, and I just wanted to kind of give you an up-close view of kind of what causes it, what conditions you would be sailing in that you might see some of that, you might not like. So if you look out here,